We are back and we are learning how I did all those big cat sounds in the video Name That Big Cat Sound from the Big Cat Rescue YouTube channel. Be sure to like and subscribe them and support them as much as you can. We are on to cougars. The cougar is doing purr style 1 and purr style 2. I am referring to my tutorial videos, how to purr style 1 and style 2. Please watch those videos for a more in-depth explanation of what's going on. Here I'm just going to explain to you the breath work needed to do purr style 1, then purr style 2. That is the quintessential difference between them. Purr style 1, you expel air to create the sound. Purr style 1, you inhale to make sound. Purr style 1, the friction and sound is happening with your tongue. Purr style 2, the friction and snapping sound is from your uvula, the flap at the back of your throat. Purr style 1. Purr style 2. Purr style 1. Okay. And so to make it more dynamic, you shorten your ones or you shorten your twos. Okay, so that was the cougar purr. There you go. Let's find the other one. Okay. This is like a cat meowing, but is very relaxed. And it's really hard to explain what I'm doing there. I mean, we don't have words to explain. We don't really have clear words to explain what this part of the tongue is versus the tip of the tongue. But I'm drawing this down. I am flexing my throat to pull the back of my tongue down. And in doing that, while pushing air, it makes it kind of warble when you do that. Hopefully that makes sense. Sorry, that's kind of all I got. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and please comment on the thousands of questions you probably have on this one. I'm sorry. If you can recreate the sound, oh my gosh, please comment and tell me. But yeah, like Big Cat Rescue and follow their channel, and like and subscribe my channel, and as always,